Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find LCM and HCF. So let's start with finding the LCM of numbers. So least common multiple of the two numbers is the smallest number which is the multiple of both the numbers. So let us start by finding the LCM or the least common multiple of two numbers 24 and 36. For finding the LCM, we are going to write the two numbers in a single ladder like this and will divide the numbers by prime numbers. So as both the numbers are even, we can divide these numbers by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Next we have 12 and 18 which are also divisible by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18. Next we have 6 and 9. Let's divide 6 by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 9 is not fully divisible. We'll write it as is. Now 3 and 9 both are divisible by number 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now 3 is only divisible by number 3. So now we have 1 as the quotient in both the numbers. Both the numbers are fully divided. We'll stop here. We'll write the LCM of 24 and 36, which is the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 will be the LCM of 24 and 36. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 times 3 is 72. So the LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. 72 is the number which is the least common multiple of the two numbers. Now let us find the HCF of the two numbers 24 and 36. So first we'll find the factors of 24 and we'll use the prime factorization method for finding the factors. So 24 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 1 is 3. So 24 is fully divided. Let's divide 36 and find its factors. 36 is also even. It is divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Next 18 is divisible by 2, 2 times 9 is 18. 9 is an odd number, it is divisible by number 3, 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So now we got the factors of 24 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 1 and the factors of 36 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 1. For finding the HCF, we need to find the common factors in between the two numbers. So let's find the common factors in between the two numbers. Here we see that number 2 is common to both the numbers. Again number 2 is common to both the numbers. Here it is 2, here it is 3. Then we have 3 and 3. So number 3 is common to both the numbers. So now we have all the common factors. We are going to take the product of all the common factors to find the HCF, which is 2 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So the highest common factor or the HCF of the two numbers is 12. So 12 is the highest common number which divides both the numbers fully without leaving a remainder. So this is how we can find the LCM and HCF of different numbers easily. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.